A quiet revolution that started in the stars and is rooted deep in the Earth itself. For billions of years, life on this planet has evolved inside a natural electromagnetic field, the Schumann resonance, at 7.83 Hertz, the literal heartbeat of the Earth. This natural pulsing frequency, combined with the grounding electrons from the planet's surface, has been essential for life. Just like we need sunlight, fresh air, and clean water to survive and thrive, our cells have evolved needing these natural electromagnetic signals to communicate, repair, and stay in balance. But modern life changed everything. Concrete buildings, rubber-soled shoes, constant artificial EMFs from screens and Wi-Fi. We became disconnected from the Earth's natural grounding and Schumann resonance. The result? So many of us feel drained, restless, and out of sync, even though our bodies were literally designed to run on these frequencies. NASA discovered this decades ago. When astronauts left Earth's magnetic field, their bodies struggled. So they developed pulsed electromagnetic field technology, PEMF, to mimic the Earth's natural frequencies and keep astronauts strong in space. The results were powerful. For decades, this same technology remained locked away in expensive clinics for the wealthy and elite athletes only. It was right there in plain sight, but kept just out of reach for regular families and busy practitioners. Until now. In 2022, a dedicated team of innovators launched a global crusade to free this life-supporting technology and bring it to every person who wants to feel better. They partnered with a respected global wellness powerhouse and refined it in advanced R&D laboratories with brilliant scientists in Sweden and Germany, all guided by corporate headquarters in Singapore. 3 full years of rigorous European research and testing created something special. And here's the proof. In August 2024, Olylife was officially granted Utility Model Patent CN221557340U for their precise PEMF delivery system. You can verify it yourself right now at patents.google.com/patent/CN221557340U. This patent protects the exact waveform modulation circuit, crystal oscillator, PWM signal, high-frequency transformer, and resonant loop that delivers the gentle experience users love. This isn't marketing fluff. PEMF technology has been studied in over 2,000 scientific publications worldwide, with hundreds indexed on PubMed and multiple meta-analyses confirming how it supports cellular communication, natural energy, and balance. And the technology itself has received FDA clearance for specific wellness applications since the late 1970s, with devices properly registered with the FDA as wellness devices. That's real science, real regulation, real results. The Olylife Therapy 90 was designed to support relaxation and overall well-being through frequency-based technology, combining PEMF and Terahertz support in one device. Then the THZ Therapy 90 Plus takes it further, integrating PEMF, Terahertz, footpad design, frost age beauty support, and Revitalux massage attachments into one advanced wellness system. For the user, this means more than a device. It means one system designed to support comfort, recovery, relaxation, and self-care in one place. The P90 Plus is powerful because it doesn't stop at one function. Frost Age uses RF and EMS-based beauty support to promote a refreshed look. Revitalux combines magnetic, EMS, and light technology for a more elevated self-care experience. So what's in it for them? Convenience, versatility, and a more complete wellness routine without needing multiple devices. For the person who feels tired, overstimulated, or screen drained, the Galaxy G1 answers that directly. It combines low-frequency PEMF with airbag massage, vibration, and gentle heat compress technology in a foldable eye wellness device, designed for home, work, or travel, it gives people a soothing, convenient way to support eye area relaxation and comfort. Then there's the Vitality Wand, designed for people who want a more targeted wellness experience. It uses ultra-low wave frequency technology, gentle warmth, and controlled air pressure. It's hands-free, adjustable, and built for personalized comfort. So the benefit isn't just technology, it's ease. It gives people a more focused way to relax, support circulation, and feel restored. For full body comfort, the Shaken Massager brings multiple technologies together: ultrasonic waves, vibration, heat therapy, red light, air pressure compression, and PEMF support. That means a more immersive experience for muscle comfort, relaxation, and recovery. It's the kind of product people understand immediately because they can feel what it's doing. Wellness is not only what you place on the body, it's also the environment around you. The A9 Smart Anion Bama Air is designed to support cleaner indoor living using negative ion generation and HEPA filtration. It offers multiple support modes, timer functions, and app-friendly controls. So for families, professionals, and home users, it's about breathing in a space that feels fresher, cleaner, and more supportive every day. And for daily lifestyle support, the H+ bar brings the technology into something simple: water. It's a portable hydrogen water bottle designed to produce hydrogen-infused water enhanced with MRET low-frequency resonance technology. So what's in it for them? Daily convenience, hydration with intention, a product they can actually use every single day. The Olylife movement and its partners have already created over $2 billion in global wellness impact. Because when people start feeling more relaxed, sleeping deeper, and waking up with natural energy, the word spreads like wildfire. This isn't just another device. This is a crusade, a mission to reconnect humanity with the natural electromagnetic environment we were designed for. The same Schumann frequencies and grounding connection our bodies have needed since the beginning of life on Earth. Whether you're a family wanting daily balance at home, or a practitioner looking for safe, simple tools to support your patients between visits, Olylife fits perfectly. It's fully compliant wellness technology. No complicated protocols, no ongoing costs, no risk. Just gentle pulses you can feel working with your body's own natural rhythms and the Earth's Schumann resonance. As you listen to this right now, you can already begin to imagine how good it will feel when that deeper calm and natural energies start returning. Soon you'll notice the difference. Soon you'll smile as the vitality comes back. Soon you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Because every family deserves to wake up excited about their day. Every practice deserves tools that help people genuinely feel better between visits. The door that was closed for so long is now wide open. The technology our bodies have always needed is finally here, and it's ready to help you feel better, starting today.